रिकॉर्डिंग चालू करके बंद भी कर दी तूने।
So this is our product page in which you can add or delete any product. If you want to add any product, you can just click on add product. SQ is a unique number which you will give to your product name. Add your product name like avocado, which is an fruit. So we will select category as a food. Unit of measures like piece in pieces. Low stock like the initial stock quantity, and select location in which you want to store in. Now we will add the product. Like you can see, it is been added. This You can see here, avocado has been added on the list. Here you can search all the categories like food, ingredients, fruits, electronics. Like for example, if we want to search avocado, you can just click on food, and you can see avocado has been added to the product list. And in the right side, you can see all stock levels, like all stock, which includes in stock, the product which are in stock. You can see the list of product, and low stock product, out of stock product which are not there, and the low stock product with like kiwi and orange which are in low stock. And on the next, you can categorize your a list as name, or A to Z, or Z to A, or low to high stock, and and etc. Yeah. Now,
Okay, so the next section is the locations. Here we will be putting up all the locations that are going to be available for the company, different warehouses, different floors, different racks where they'll be putting all the products. So here we can see all the uh, locations, and you can add your own locations in different places. For example, here we can have a Goa where there is a floor area as a location. So we can add these locations. You can see the list of the locations here, different places, depending on how many locations the company has unlocked. They can add this manually. You can also sort in different ways, different warehouses, racks. You can sort it through the sorting system. You can also sort if the location is an active location or a disabled location or archived location. For example, if it's going under renovation or if it's still under construction or something. Then you can also see the different products listed within a location in the stock by location. Here you can see different products, how many of the said product we have in what particular location. For example, we have the Portland location, which has 5 apples, and we have the apples in the main warehouse, second last, where there is 80 apples. So in total, we have 85 apples, but you can see which location has how many apples in this. And you can also sort the different products based on the location. For example, if I want to see the different products just in the main warehouse, so we can go to the all locations and we can go and select the main warehouse there instead, and it will only show the locations for the main warehouse. Yes. So now it will only show the locations that are currently available in the main warehouse. Then we have the next section, the receipts. The receipts define the incoming goods, the products that are being purchased from manufacturers or producers in putting into the warehouse. Here you can add different products. So if we create a receipt, for example, we can create a receipt. Who is the supplier for the said receipt? We can add the contact of the said supplier if we want to. You can select what product you want to add. The product that we are going to add is something we have to enter manually beforehand in the product section. Then we have the different location. Where is this being purchased to? For example, to the Gujarat, and the amount of products that we are purchasing. So, for example, we are purchasing 56 oranges. When we create the receipt, we can see that it will show up in the list, and then you have to validate it in order to be updated in the system. This validation is being added for a reason, because let's say you create a receipt, then you verify if the products have arrived, and once the verification is done, you can validate the receipt and it will update our digital inventory accordingly. Similarly, we have the deliveries, which works on delivering the object, delivering products instead of buying them. Here you can create a new delivery for any customer who is purchasing from the warehouse, or who's purchasing and the warehouse is shipping it to them. Here you can add what products we are delivering, the intermediary warehouse where it will go, and the amount of products that are being sent. You can create a delivery and the delivery will be dispatched, and then you can validate the delivery similarly, saying if the delivery has gone or not. Once it's done, it will again manually update into the products and into our digital inventory. Now, let's say you want to transfer your products between two different warehouses, two different locations. So you can do that in the transfer section, where we can transfer between two locations. If you could just quickly go to the transfers. Yes. So in the transfers, you can create a transfer. You can select what product you want to transfer and the locations where you want to transfer from and where you want to transfer to. This will not change the total number of products, but it will change the products per location. Let's say if you're transferring 10 products from warehouse A to warehouse B, overall will be still 10. It's just going to go from warehouse A to warehouse B instead. You can transfer them accordingly.
Okay. History will contain all the data regarding our task, like importing goods, selling goods, and it will have the date and exact time when we perform and do such task. In like we added a product called avocado. So it will also show the quantity, how much we added, and also it will show the document type, like it's a receipt, delivery order, initial stock. It will also categorize in which kind of document it is. Okay.